Hello guys, today's tutorial is about creating pattern blocks from our previously draped bodice. So this draped bodice pattern was from our last tutorial, so if you haven't watched it, please go back to the channel and watch it. So here we have the front block and the back piece. Please forgive my Muslim. I did run out of Muslim, so I had to just make do with what I had. Now what we're trying to do is to recreate or transfer the pattern exactly as it is. For you to trace out these lines and points accurately, it's good we use a transparent paper. In my case, I'm using what's called a paper gum, I guess. I'm adding a 1 cm seam allowance all around the body. And then I connect all those points with my curve ruler and also compare to ensure that, of course, it's exact as the piece I took it off from. So again, if you haven't watched our tutorial on how we got this bodice form draped to get this pattern block, please go back and watch the tutorial. It's right there, so it could be easier for you to understand this stage of pattern block creating. So now we have our front and back piece together. I didn't need to do a video on that again because it's still the same process and I'm trying to keep the video very short. So I've gone also ahead to trace out the skirts, which is a bottom pattern, the front and back, and here we have a complete set of piece for all sides. So for me to ensure that yes, my pattern pieces are okay, I'm going through this same process as before of draping on the form, but right now I'm using my pattern block pieces. This is also a double check mechanism for me to ensure that yes, my pattern is right. So here's a final look for our pattern blocks. So since we're okay with it and the fit is smart, we'll go ahead and transfer this onto a Muslim and make a mock-up sample for our little Barbie. So this brings us to the end of today's tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.